Hello all, welcome to this video of Introduction to Delegates in C Sharp. In this video, we will be discussing what delegates are, why they are important, how to declare and use them. So, what are delegates? Delegates are type that represents a reference to a method with a specific signature. Delegates allow to treat a method as an object and that can be passed as argument to another method or can be stored in another variable. Delegates are typesafe, which means the signature of the delegate must match with the signature of the method that that delegate is going to reference. Why delegates are important? Delegates have several benefits, including encapsulation of a method. Delegates allows you to encapsulate a method and pass it to the another method or object, which promotes a loose coupling and separation of concern. Flexibility and extensibility. Delegates makes it easy to change the behavior of a method at a runtime by passing different delegate instance to a method. Then callbacks and event handling. Delegates are commonly used for implementing callbacks and event handling, which allows method to be called when certain conditions met. We'll see in all these concepts in future videos. Don't worry. So let's move to next slide. Declaring a delegates. To declare a delegate, you use a delegate keyword followed by a return type, then the name of the delegate and the parameter list. So this is the syntax of declaring delegate. The syntax of declaring delegate is similar to a method declaration. Consider just forget about this delegate keyword. So how we declare a method? We have return type of the method, then name of the method and the parameter of the method. So you can declare a method and then add a delegate. Is that yeah. Then let's see a demo where we will declare a delegate. Okay, so declaring a delegate. A delegate named myDelegate. The delegate has a return type bool and takes int parameter named num. The purpose of delegate is to provide a way to refer to a method with a specific signature so that the method can be called later on. In this case, myDelegate represents a method that takes an int argument and returns a bool value. When you declare a delegate like this, you are essentially creating a new type that encapsulates the signature of method it represents. Once you have declared the delegate instance, you can use it to refer to any method that has the same signature. let's see how we can instantiate a delegate. You can create an instance of a delegate using new operator and provide the name of the delegate along with the name of the method you want to reference. You can also create an instance of a delegate using anonymous method or lambda expression. So we'll see how we can instantiate a delegate using a method name. This line of code creates a delegate instance named delegate instance 1 that can be used to refer to a method my method. So we have this method my method we are referring here. The new keyword is used to create a new instance of my delegate, and my method is passed as an argument to the constructor of that delegate. This creates a delegate instance that is bound to the my method. In this example, calling delegate instance 1 of 5 will call my method the, with argument 5 and returns the result. Let's see how to instantiate delegate using anonymous method. This line of code creates a delegate instance named delegate instance 2 that can be used to refer to a method that takes an integer argument and returns a boolean value, indicating whether the integer is even or not. The syntax used to create the delegate instance is called anonymous method. This is anonymous method. Which allows us to define a method on the fly without explicitly declaring a separate method. So that's the benefit. In this case, anonymous method takes an integer parameter num and returns the result of the expression num mod 2 equal to 0, which checks whether the integer is even or odd. You can use the delegate instance 2 variable to pass a delegate as a parameter to other method that accepts a delegate, or you can invoke the delegate directly. In this example, calling delegate instance 2 of 4 will return true. Then we'll see the instantiating of delegate using lambda expression. This line of code creates the delegate instance named delegate instance 3 that can be used to refer to a method. That can be used to refer a method that takes an integer argument and returns boolean. The syntax used to create a delegate instance is called lambda expression. which is a concise way of defining anonymous method with a single expression. In this case, the lambda expression takes an integer parameter and returns a boolean. The equal to arrow operator symbol is used to separate the parameter list from the expression. In this example, calling delegate instance 3 of 7 would return false because 7 is odd. Let's switch to slides. In this video, we discuss what delegates are, why delegates are important, how to declare and use delegates in C Sharp. Delegates are a powerful feature in C Sharp language that can help you to write more flexible and extensible code. Thank you for watching this video on introduction to delegates in C Sharp. I hope you find this information helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please please feel free to uh, leave, leave below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos.